say you want clean, deep, low-end bass for your vehicle without any complicated installs or bulky boxes? Well, Kicker's got something special for you. Ron here from AV Leaders, introducing two prominent enclosures from Kicker, the PTRTP 10 and the PTRTP 12. PTRTP stands for Powered, Thin, Reflex Truck Profile. These enclosures use a down-firing design, which means the subwoofer fires directly into the floor. Because this is a design reflecting off the floor, you gain 3 dB of output from your subwoofer. This design also protects the speaker cone from damage and makes it super easy to slide underneath that back seat or behind truck benches or even in small cargo areas. Each unit features a passive reflex radiator, enhancing low-end extension, giving you even more decibels of output, giving you even more bass. Combine the down-firing orientation and the passive radiator output, and this design naturally reduces distortion and superbly creates smooth bass that evenly fills your vehicle. Whether you listen to hip-hop, rock, country, and/or EDM, both models add serious clarity and punch to your sound system. Kicker designed the PTRTP series enclosures to deliver strong musical bass the brand is known for, without taking up too much space. Each SKU includes the subwoofer, an amplifier, the passive radiator, and the enclosure itself, all designed and tuned to work perfectly together, just like Kicker intended. This makes installation simple and ensures clean, powerful bass right out of the box. You also get full bass control. Not only can you adjust the low pass variable crossover subwoofer phase, but the output sensitivity of the amplifier is also controllable. You even get a remote bass level control knob right in the box. The PTRTP 10 is a 10-inch subwoofer with a 400-watt amplifier. The frequency response ranges from 25 to about 120 hertz, and it fits in an enclosure that's roughly 1 foot by 2 foot, and get this, roughly 6 inches off the floor. The PTRTP 12 is a 12-inch subwoofer with a 400-watt amplifier, still with a passive radiator and the downfire application, but this one is slightly larger, with roughly 7.5 inches away from the floor. Kicker's PTRTP 10 and the PTRTP 12 deliver major bass impact in a small, compact, all-in-one enclosure. Choose the 10-inch if space is at a premium, or choose the 12-inch if you want maximum bass in a small, compact, slim form. Check them both out at avleaders.com. And if you love bass, remember to like, follow, and subscribe. And drop us a comment and let us know which one you would prefer. Remember to keep your music driven by performance and always by your passion. Till next time. Ron here, PP10. Oh, down-firing application. Combine the net fills your vehicle. Yes. Whether or not you're listening to rock, series enclosures to deliver, oh my gosh. Each blah,